Hi guys, so it's July. It's the end of another financial year, the start of a new one. What are your New Year resolutions? I'm going to ask you, instead of using the traditional ones of having targets around revenue and targets about profit, how about having targets about making your business more valuable? In the end, if our business is valuable, that'll give us the capacity to do other things when we want to move on. So what are three great... first of all, I'm Rob Jagger. I'm a business coach here at Outcomes Business Group, and this is your weekly session of OBG TV. So 3 suggestions to make your business more valuable. Firstly, you're the key person in the business. You've got a lot of knowledge up here, but it's not documented down. So what happens if you're away? People are going to really struggle. So I'm going to ask you to take one major process each month and write it down. You know you have to document your systems. One process every month will make your system work, business work much better without you. Secondly, if you're the key salesperson in your business, the business relies on you with your relationships, your major accounts, bringing in the new jobs. Once again, you're exposed. You've got a lot of key person risk. Find others in your business who can take on that key account management role for your major customers. That will give you resilience in your business. And third but not least is just check out your contracts that you have in place, whether it's lease and other contracts, and make sure they can survive a change of ownership. So when they're coming up for renewal, get your solicitor to check them out and amend them so that all your contracts are still in place if you do actually get to sell. So once again guys, I hope you enjoy the OBG. Rob Jagger here, and I'll see you next time.